You have heard this several times. Winners never quit and quitters never win. Well, it is easy to say this, but it is hard to continue after multiple failures. It takes a lot of courage and determination to regain your strength and energy, to start a new thing, to start taking action on a new concept. But after all these failures, now I know at least 10 things that I should avoid to reduce my chances of failure. I deserve to win because I don't hesitate taking risk. I visualize my success. Yes, I daydream. And it gives me confidence to continue in my path to achieve my goals. I deserve to win because I have so many well wishers who are giving me positive feedback. What do you think? Why are they giving me all this feedback? Are they criticizing me? No. They all want me to succeed in my vision. I deserve to win. Otherwise, it would be a collective failure of all my friends and well wishers who are also putting an effort to my success by providing me positive feedback, by supporting me emotionally, by appreciating me regularly, and also by sharing all the links that I have shared with them in their own network. I deserve to win, otherwise, I will fail all of these people. And I am positive. I am sharing my knowledge, I am sharing my experiences with all the people. And if they have gained some value out of this videos, that will be my win. Thank you.